No matter how crazy things are, I mean, this is just gorgeous. This is like a sense of peace and serenity. Welcome again to my Garden of Eden. What's your Garden of Eden like? What would the Garden of Eden be? Let's get out of the fantasy. Let's get into the reality of what do you think the Garden of Eden would have been like? And in 2025, do the stories that they tell you or have told you, do those stories make sense to you? Oh, hey baby, I heard you. Hey Froggy. I heard you down there. Croak. It's hot, they're chilling. I'm chilling too. Got the hair up. Happy hump day. Happy hump day. Wednesday's child. Got a reason to smile. As that old saying goes, God is good all the time. God is good. God is good. God is good. God is. I heard something out there. Oh, I see you. It's a squirrel. Woo! Oh, it's two squirrels. You were like, I saw you and I heard you. You see it? Eagle Eye Val be spotting things. I'm a kind of natural tracker, you know what I mean? Go, Rocky, go. Go, Rocky, go. There goes my team. Happy All-American Week. Repping my colors today. Rangers, all Rangers lead the way. Some of y'all be hating on the military. I see, social media. Social media is the devil. I mean, well, you know what? Let's be real, because we start to say anything's the devil when it starts to get a little evil. Where's the church lady when you need them? But even the church lady wasn't real. But anyway, no, you know me. I be seeing things. But no. But here's the deal. What was I talking about? Oh yeah. Social media just be hating on everybody. You hate on black people, you hate on white people, you hate on nerds, you hate on people who are straight, you hate on people who are gay, you pit each other against each other. And while we're looking that way, there's something going on that way. That's why I'm always looking that way. So that's why something said, put the hair down. Because your hair wants to play. But the Merovingian Files, hashtag naturally, the Ranger Show, whatever, yeah. But the thing I'm trying to say is, you know what, I've learned a long time ago, when you got people, and everybody's like looking at the fight going on over there, be careful about the man behind the curtain, like pushing those buttons, making everybody look over there, and that's why I'm looking at you. Dorothy says, I see you, bugaboo. But I'm in therapy doing me. What are you doing today? I'm being good. I'm making my money stretch. And, yay. I got some real checks. I don't hate on anybody for your grind. But why do you hate on mine? And why? I've said it before. Why would you have? When I tried to help people in the industry, I was never enough. Now that you casted me, literally tried to cast me out of my life, and I said, fuck yeah. And went on, right? Now you mad. Hey, dragonfly. I love dragonflies. Dragonflies is way over there. Can you see it? You saw it move? Yeah. Hey, baby. Hey. Okay, reminder. Like, what do we say when we come out here? We don't talk about that bullshit. Heard. Anyway. Yeah. People think they're slick. Not slick enough, okay? People think they're slick. And they're treacherous too. I know somebody a little bit more treacherous than you. Did I say somebody? Something. I don't know. I heard you in the background. No, you hear the bird, but I heard the crow or the hawk way back in the... Anyway, oh, this breeze felt good. So I'm outside. I hear concerts are getting canceled everywhere. Or, wait a minute. I thought it was my bad. Unlike some people, I don't need the camera always on me. I'm not a pick-me or whatever. Look at me, look at me. Please look at me, please look at me. You know what? Okay. Yes, mother. So, anyway, I can cook. So, so I mean, no, but the thing about, what does it say? Necessity is the mother of invention or something like that. But the bottom line is, being that, they took one of my checks away. I know, the cry. Hello, baby. Grope, 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 grope. Yay. My family's come out to play. Oh, this breeze feels nice for me because it's a super hot day. It's super hot. And this water is so beautiful. Oh, wow. Moon and Pisces, too. Oh, child. If you fall in, this is going to be embarrassing for you. Okay, you know what? I'll do it later. Trying to reach down. But, because I'm not going to, just try to fall into the pond for anyway. But the point I'm trying to make is that there's a lot of stuff going on today. But focus on something that sincerely makes you smile. People are wicked and vile, but all people are not. I can't tell you what to do, but note when my instinct gives me a clue that you're full of shit, I'm going to wipe you. I'll wipe you right away. That's just sketch it away. So I'm doing great today. It's hump day. Wednesday's child. Regenerating. It's the regeneration generation. We got something to say. If you've been stuck, now don't do it for a narrative, because now everybody like, I've been stuck too. They're stuck in me. You know what? That's going to come back on all of you. That is going to come back on all of you. Those of you who try to do whatever it is that you do. I hear. Okay. Mommy says, never mind. Oh, I saw the bird. Was that a bird or a butterfly? That was a bird. It moved too fast. That was a bird. I saw that. Anyway, that's it. I'm fine. Point of the matter is, if you're wondering how Val Jones is doing today, she's doing absolutely amazing. Happy All-American Week to my team. The good and bad. The mad and sad. The super, super, super bad. And the super horribly ugly bad. It's good to have checkmates. And we do have checkmates. Some say I'm a checkmate. What's the main or most powerful character on a chessboard? Salute to those who serve and protect the true queen. Thank you, sir. The froggy knows what I mean. Froggy, I mean. Little girl, be careful. To all of you, don't play with me. Reminding you, I am the man in black and the woman in black too. In reality, when it's not just a movie, and the hero or the hero's not you. In reality. Da 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 da. Oh yeah, there they go. The crickets and the cricket frogs just go sighing on me, yo. Thank you, Mom. Mother Nature is the greatest of all.